Alright guys, I got a box with some cars that I wanted to showcase today. I have previously opened it to make it easier for me to show you the cars, open the box. These are cars that you've seen before, but hey, I gotta keep you up to date, right? I get the 52 Chevy Super. Let me take it out of the plastic for you. Take it out of the protector. Yes, let's see. I want to check out the condition. Oh, nice. Yeah. Yeah, but this thing is sweet, man. I like those rims. Yeah. Like that. Put that in here. Alright. And we also have the Supernova 66. Supernova. Sweet ride. Look at those. I like the rims. Look at that. Look at this thing. Look at the color, color scheme. And let me take it out of the protector so we can see it better. This thing is sweet. This is from the Red Line Club. This is from the Red Line Club too. 66 Supernova. Spectra Flame color. This stunning, bro. Look at this. Look at the engine. This thing is ready to hit the road and break the law. Yep. Yeah, guys, I got this too. I just wanted to show you what I've got. Got a Supernova. Got the 52 Chevy Super. 50th anniversary. Alright, there we go. Alright, guys. I'm going to catch you in the next video. Thank you for subscribing. I'm going to do a giveaway very soon, so another giveaway. I'm going to put some good stuff in there. So, I'm going to catch you in the next video, guys. Alright? Be on the lookout for the next giveaway.